that chart is shows here key size B into H. Now our diameter from the calculation is 30 mm, which is situated in between this 22 to 30. I will have to take 8 into 7. 8 is B, 7 is H. So I'll write from the chart, key chart of course, B into H is equal to 8 into 7. 8 into 7. Correct? So this is important, I told you. Now first stress, shear failure, tau is equal to 2 mt by dBl. So I'll write 2 mt value we have calculated 397,887.36 divided by D diameter 30, B width 8 into L 45, through which I'll get tau is equal to, for shear failure in case of keys, 73.68 Newton per mm square. Now I will have to check this with the permissible stress. Permissible stress for key, you can see here, key permissible stress 100. So it means calculated value is less than permissible stress, therefore design is safe for shear failure in case of keys. Second, crushing failure for the keys, 4 mt by DHL. I'll put one by one. 4 into mt 397,887.36 divided by D 30, H 7 into L 45. So through which I'll get the crushing failure occur in the keys, that will be the calculated 168.42. So I will have to check the crushing failure occur in the keys is around, you can see on the screen, 300 Newton per mm square. So I can say the calculated value is less than 300 Newton per mm square. Therefore design is safe for crushing failure. Correct? So here the numerical is end. So likewise we have just follow the sequence which we have discussed in previous video. So likewise I have solved this, and it is, you can see after practicing, it is very simple to solve the numerical sequential. Correct? So for your sake I'll again repeat the things what we had done. So first of all, first step is to calculate the permissible stresses for shaft, keys, pin, flange. After that, step number 2, diameter of the shaft we have calculated. Step number 3, dimension of the flanges, empirical relation we have used. Step number 4, in that checking of the stresses for hub, you can see here, checking of stresses for flange, you can see here. After that, step number 5, diameter of the diameter of the pin. So diameter of the pin directly consider by using number of bushes 6. For that I'll get diameter of the pin 7. Then checking of the stresses for the diameter, checking of the stresses for the pin we have calculated, it is again within a limit, so design is safe. This is for pin we have covered. After that we went for the dimension of the bushes. As we know, the bush is having dB and LB, diameter of bush and length of bush. So here dimension of the bush LB dB I have calculated by this equation, through which I got the value of LB dB. After that, last step is step number 7, to design the keys. For the keys shear failure I have calculated whether it is safe or not, I have checked. For crushing failure I have calculated and we have checked whether safe or not. So here the numerical is end for flexible bush pin type coupling. So this single numerical gives an idea to solve any kind of numerical related to bush pin type coupling sequential. I hope you understood this. Thank you.